Another giant leap in artificial intelligence, SORA.
Its new text-to-video tool, SORA.
It's from a new tool by OpenAI called SORA. All it takes is...
Have you heard of the groundbreaking shift that is sending shockwaves through the AI video generator industry? It's all about SORA. This isn't just another tech buzz, it's a paradigm shift that will redefine an entire industry. I've also conducted a comparative analysis with the leading companies in the industry, so get ready for an in-depth look at this revolutionary development. The SORA text-to-video model represents a significant leap forward in blending computer vision, natural language processing, and deep learning to transform text prompts into detailed and realistic video content. In contrast to previous text-to-video software like Pika and Runway, SORA overcomes limitations on the types of visual data it can interpret, video length, and resolution. SORA sets itself apart by offering the ability to craft videos that stretch up to a minute in length, a feat that surpasses the capabilities of many other models in the field. While other models struggle with shorter generation times, often limited to a few seconds, SORA's extended reach allows for a more comprehensive presentation of video content. This extended duration proves invaluable for various applications, from crafting concise narratives in short films to capturing attention in dynamic advertisements. One of SORA's standout features lies in its ability to seamlessly transition between scenes, mimicking natural camera movements and ensuring fluid character animations. This attention to detail enhances the overall viewing experience, setting SORA's generated videos apart from those of its competitors. In contrast, videos produced by other models frequently suffer from jarring scene changes and stuttering animations, detracting from the immersion and cohesiveness of the content. Moreover, SORA's generated videos boast an impressive level of visual fidelity, characterized by crisp object textures and true-to-life colors. This emphasis on detail results in higher overall video quality, elevating the viewer's engagement and enjoyment. In contrast, videos generated by other models often fall short in this regard, appearing blurry with boring details and muted colors that fail to captivate audiences effectively. By combining DALL-E and GPT technologies, SORA can grasp physical dynamics and maintain coherence throughout scenes. It adeptly crafts captivating videos, seamlessly integrating new scenes into existing footage based on text or still images. Simply provide SORA with a prompt, and it will generate a video matching the description. Let's look at some of the amazing videos that were generated by SORA. Perhaps the most impressive is the one I'm about to show you next. SORA was asked to generate a beautiful homemade video showing the people of Lagos, Nigeria in the year 2056, shot with a mobile phone camera. Now the question is, how does SORA do this? SORA's innovation relies on a technique that transforms visual information into a format it can understand, similar to how text-based apps break down words for AI. It divides video data into parts and compresses them for easier handling, allowing SORA to rearrange them to create various videos. SORA utilizes computer vision to interpret visual content accurately, natural language processing to understand text commands for video creation, and deep learning to grasp complex data patterns. The diffusion model, starting with a noisy video and gradually enhancing clarity over iterations, forms the basis of SORA's capabilities. This ensures realistic and clear output, even over long durations. SORA's approach provides a scalable way to generate video content from text input, distinguishing it from traditional deepfake techniques. Wondering why SORA is causing a lot of buzz? Let me explain. SORA matters because developing AI capable of comprehending and simulating the real world's complexity has been incredibly tough. Unlike static images, video can depict concepts like object continuity, 3D spaces, interactions, and temporal changes. Previous video generation models struggled with various video attributes like length, resolution, and camera angles. Moreover, these systems lack the understanding of causality, physics, and object permanence needed for realistic simulation. OpenAI's videos showcase a model surpassing past standards qualitatively. I promised I was going to show you some videos comparing SORA, Pika, and Runway to prove that SORA is better, right? Here we go. The prompt read, "A litter of golden retriever puppies playing in the snow. Their heads pop out of the snow, covered in." Let's see what they were able to come up with. From all indications, the one from SORA beats Pika and Runway in realism and clarity. Don't you agree? Let's look at another example if you still aren't convinced. Another prompt was, "Several giant woolly mammoths approach treading through a snowy meadow. Their long woolly fur lightly blows in the wind as they walk. Snow-covered trees and dramatic snow-capped mountains in the distance. Mid-afternoon light with wispy clouds and a sun high in the distance creates a warm glow. The low camera view is stunning, capturing the large furry mammal with a beautiful photography. Depth of field." This was the result. No doubt Pika and Runway did well, but we can't help but give it to SORA for its generation quality. I still have some more to show you. In 2023, Stable Diffusion generated a video of Will Smith eating spaghetti, and it went viral. The video was made for a TV commercial, and from all indications, one could easily figure out it was generated by an AI. But today, the case is different. SORA was used to generate the same video, and trust me, it is easy to know that SORA is from a different world. I know you want to ask about Google's Lumiere, and I already have the perfect answer for you. When Lumiere hit the market some weeks ago, it boasted superior video quality compared to its predecessors. Here's how Lumiere works. It starts by building a foundational frame based on the given prompt. Then, it employs the StuNet framework to predict where objects within that frame will move, creating additional frames that smoothly transition into one another, resulting in the illusion of continuous motion. Notably, Lumiere churns out 80 frames per video, a significant improvement over the 25 frames produced by Stable Diffusion. But the truth is, SORA seems to have its own set of advantages over Lumiere. SORA can generate videos with a resolution of up to 1920 by 1080 pixels, offering flexibility in aspect ratios, whereas Lumiere is restricted to 512 by 512 pixels. Additionally, while Lumiere's videos typically last around 5 seconds, SORA can craft videos up to 60 seconds long. Another distinction lies in their video composition abilities. Lumiere is unable to create videos composed of multiple shots, a task easily accomplished by SORA. Then, SORA stands out for its prowess in video editing tasks like assembling videos from images or other video clips, blending elements from different sources, and extending video duration. Both models produce videos that generally look realistic, although they may occasionally exhibit hallucinatory artifacts. Lumiere's AI-generated nature might be more readily apparent, whereas SORA's videos tend to appear more dynamic, featuring enhanced interactions between elements. There's no doubt the introduction of SORA brings promising opportunities for companies across different fields. It particularly shines in two key areas, starting with advertising and marketing. Imagine businesses harnessing SORA much like they've utilized ChatGPT for marketing and content creation. Once SORA becomes accessible to everyone, brands will have the power to craft visually stunning, highly captivating video content for their social media and marketing efforts. This means captivating audiences with engaging videos tailored to their interests and preferences, helping brands stand out amidst fierce competition. One company that's quickly capitalizing on the SORA buzz is 11 Labs. They're revolutionizing the way we experience AI-generated content by adding a new layer, sound. 11 Labs' innovative text-to-sound model allows creators to generate realistic sound effects just by describing them in words. Imagine pairing SORA's visually stunning videos with the immersive audio from 11 Labs. It's a match made in AI heaven. Moreover, SORA holds the potential to revolutionize education and training. Think of companies using SORA to develop instructional videos covering various subjects or scenarios. This approach could revolutionize how both customers and employees learn by making complex information more digestible and engaging. Looking ahead, SORA's applications extend to other industries like e-commerce. For instance, retailers could leverage SORA to create dynamic product demonstrations, offering interactive experiences that effectively showcase products' features and functionalities. This would be particularly beneficial for items requiring detailed explanations or those with unique selling points that are challenging to convey through traditional means. SORA could streamline the online shopping experience by enabling virtual try-on experiences, allowing customers to visualize how products like clothing or accessories would look on them without needing to physically try them on. This not only reduces uncertainty associated with online shopping, but also potentially increases return on investment for businesses. Are you going to try SORA out? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more updates about SORA, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.